I decided to do this from the very comfort of my own beauty room. All right, now while we're getting this ready, I just want to say another reason why I wanted to go ahead and give this a shot is because I feel like Rihanna is not going to support us until we support her. Okay, so if I have to buy 15 products a month from her beauty collection to get an album, then so be it. Where is the album, Ree? Where is the album? It smells very good, kind of perfumey. Very good. It doesn't have any like beads in it or anything. It's just going on very smooth. Probably using way too much, not even gonna lie, because it's spreading really good. Ooh, got my lash now. We gotta be careful with these expensive things. I always like to work the nose, you know, for them little white, black, whatever heads. We'll get down here. It smells really good. Like, I don't know what it reminds me of, but like if this was a candle smell, I would buy it. I love candles. Okay, so we work this into the face. Obviously you should be doing this over the sink with water, but I wanted to do this right here for you guys so you guys can get the best view. Now I'm gonna rinse and come back, and then I'm going to apply the fat water with you guys. So BRB. He accidentally wet the lashes, but that's okay. It came off like normal, just regular old cleanser. Granted, like I told you guys, I didn't have a makeup before, so it just came off like normal, and it smells so good. Like I can still smell it. It just makes me feel clean. Like, I don't know, this smell that she picked, that's a winner for me. It just makes me feel clean. I know that sounds kind of weird, but yeah, it came off regular. In fact, I have a tissue. We can do the test if you guys want. White tissue. Just see. Nothing. Okay. Now for the fat water, she said to apply it with your fingers. It doesn't say if you should put this on damp skin or not, but you can use this day and night. I think I mentioned that already, but if I didn't, you can use this day or night. And I prefer to put stuff on with my fingers anyways, because you know, we save products over here, okay? We ain't about to be wasting on no tissue paper. I barely use a brush for my makeup, and that's probably why I'm not a makeup guru. I really like this little squeeze thingy. I feel like is this gonna be watery? Okay, it's not, it's like a serum. Well, this smells good too. I really hope the lighting's not bad. I'm gonna be so mad if I edit this video and it looks weird. Ooh, yes. Okay. I don't know what this smells like. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. It doesn't smell as good as the cleanser, but it definitely smells good. My face has a little bit of a tingle. Reminds me of when I would use witch hazel. My face would tingle a little bit. And get up under them eyes. All up in the nose and the crevices. I don't know if it's called a crevices, but it's a crevices today. Okay, you gotta get right up in there. Get right up in here. Sometimes you be having little white heads. You don't want that, so you wanna get that. Okay. I'm assuming we're gonna let this just naturally dry. It's feeling good so far. Letting this dry. Got a little extra. Put that on there because this side of my face breaks out the most, and I think it's because this is the side that I sleep on. Don't get me wrong, I wash my pillows every week or every other week. I wash my pillowcases every week and my pillow like almost every 2-3 weeks. I know every time I say it, I add another week, but for real, I would say like every 2 weeks I wash my pillows and my pillowcase for sure about every week, give or take a week. Feeling a little dewy. Okay, we're gonna let this dry a little bit so we can get we can really see how this hydrator is gonna look. And you know what? We might even go outside, see what that natural light is talking about. The only thing is, okay, there we go, it's drying. I can tell it's drying because it's like a little sticky, not like sticky, but it is sticky, like stickier than if you didn't have anything on there. It does smell good, don't get me wrong. The fat water does smell good, but I'm telling you, that cleanser smells really good. Even though I'm all dry, since it's a little sticky, you can probably see I have a little bit of a glow already. And I hope you guys are still ignoring my hair. We're gonna work on that tomorrow. All right, so now that we're done with the fat water, we're gonna use the moisturizer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got a little pink color to it, okay. This smells like a combination of them both. No, this smells a little more fruity. It smells like bubble gum. Like not bubble gum, but like, you know those, do you remember the zebra bubble gum? Okay. True. Is that how you feel? Okay, we're gonna turn to the side with none, turn to the side with some. Okay, y'all saw how much I used just for this one little side, this little cheek. I didn't really get the forehead, but this cheek is, baby, this cheek. I like to do my cheeks and then work my way to the forehead and then the chin, because I feel like the cheeks, I don't want to say they're most important, but you know, I feel like if the cheeks are popping, pretty much everything else gonna fall into place. You know what I mean? Your cheeks is popping, and I'm talking about all cheeks. Oh, this smells like, I don't know what this smells like. Oh, I smell a whiff of the SPF. I feel like all SPF has a little bit of something, like that scent. But whatever this other smell is covering it up. Ooh. Now hold on, because y'all saw I didn't really give the forehead any love, so I only need a little bit for the forehead. I'm gonna do a little half, not even a half of a squirt. Whoa, it's feeling good. Now I will say, if you're not used to thick products on your face, you might not like this. I am. That sounds kind of weird. I use castor oil on my face every night. I like a thicker moisturizer on my face at night. Yeah, like I could definitely put this on. I already, you know, do my lashes and go. Like, whew. I could definitely do that. Like, now I didn't adjust anything. Y'all see this right here. This is, yes. It's very thick. Like, it's thick. Like, it definitely feels like it has a layer of protection. It's thick. So if you don't like heavy and thick, I know some people, like whenever people ask me about my skincare, like at work and stuff, people would ask me and I would tell them what I use and they're like, oh my gosh, you use that on your face? I'm like, First of all, you asked me, okay? I didn't ask you about your skincare regimen. You asked me. And second, yes. Like, I used to have oily skin, and then I had dry skin, and now my skin is just normal, I guess. But I will say I use natural products for the most part, and I do use like something like my face was dry when I put this on, but I left it just a tad bit damp, because you want to soak in the moisture. So when you put the oil or the moisturizer on top, you want to leave a tad bit, because what is moisture? Water, okay? So you want to like just like I do my hair, like I put the oil on top of the dampness, because you want to seal, there we go, seal. You want to seal in the moisture. So that's what I do. And I feel like this definitely did the job. Listen, if you have acne or any skin issues and you use this for one time, you're not going to see results right away. Like, for real. Even me, you know, but like, if I had to choose any of these products to continue to use, I love the smell of the cleanser. I love that smell. However, there's a lot of ingredient items on there that I don't recognize, and I like to know what I'm putting on my body. And I also don't like when they add colors, like food coloring, or let me give you an example. Like red 33. Like, why do we need that on my skin? I don't care what color this looks like. It could be clear for all I care, or boo-boo doo-doo color. Like, you don't need to add a color in there to make it look a certain way. So that is one thing I do not like. So out of all of them, I love the way this makes my skin look. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I prefer, and I don't know the science behind it. I don't know why a lot of companies will add the color in there, the yellow 33 or the red 33 or the blue 52. Like, why? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. I don't make products. I don't know why. But now we just going off of looks. Definitely get this. Definitely get this. Now, to save some coin, we could skip this. You can get you some apple cider vinegar. It's gonna stink, but you're gonna put this on top and it's gonna make the smell go away. I do like this though. I do like this. And it was giving me glow vibes even before I put this on. But it's just it's hard to do process of elimination, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, here's my final order of which ones you gotta buy. But now we just going off of looks. Definitely get this. Definitely get this. Now, to save some coin, we could skip this. You can get you some apple cider vinegar. It's gonna stink, but you're gonna put this on top and it's gonna make the smell go away. I do like this though. I do like this. And it was giving me glow vibes even before I put this on. But it's just it's hard to do process of elimination, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, here's my final order of which ones you gotta buy. It's gonna surprise you. Number 1, number 2, and then number 3. Here's why. It's so first of all, I like and I recognize more ingredients in this. I love the way it smells. But ingredients, I'm very big in ingredients. I recognize more ingredients that I know in this. This, I mean, do I need to say anything else? This was good too though. Like, I don't know, but I will say for $30, I don't know if I would regularly have this. Like, it was great. It smelled amazing. It's bomb for like, oh, the skin. I'm about to take some pictures outside, y'all. I'm about to do some makeup wear. this is just order of how I would buy it. If you guys had to choose, this is my recommendation: 1, 2, and 3. And it's perfect because I think this is in order of cost. Hold on, wait now. Nope, I lied. It's not. It's not. I mean, it is, but it's 30, 24, 22. She knew. You knew this, Rihanna. You knew. Ooh, yes. All right, so those are my final thoughts on the Fenty Skin. I'm curious to see what else she will come out with. I love and support Rihanna, but granted, it has to make sense for me to support it. But I will say I'm loving my face right now. Like, I loved it before. Good job, Rihanna. Good job. You did not disappoint me. You did not disappoint me or my headband. Good job. That is all, guys. I hope this video wasn't too long for you. I just want it to be as detailed as possible, obviously honest. Again, this is not sponsored. I mean, if Rihanna wanted to send me a check, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna turn it down. But like, this is my own coins, and I wanted to give you guys my honest opinion. If you're big into smells, they all smell amazing. There was not one where I was like, what is that? But that doesn't necessarily mean, anyways, I digress. They all smell amazing. I loved every single one of them. They are pricey. Afterpay will come into effect. Afterpay will help you, trust me. But I loved everything. Great job, Rihanna. I'm very proud. As always, I have yet to use one of her products that I was disappointed with. From the foundation to the primer to the dew spray to the lipstick to the brows to the highlighter to the only thing I'm disappointed in from you right now is we don't have an album. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget, check me out on Instagram at Hairvolutions, Twitter, Hairvolutions IG. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys want me to do a part 2 to this video when I take off my makeup using these products, you gotta comment below and let your girl know. Thank you so much for watching.